Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing two worlds together. Marvel's Unstoppable Hulk and Roro Noah Zoro from One Piece. Imagine Hulk as a samurai warrior with an Oni mask and dual swords, standing on smashed ground like the absolute legend he is. Let's dive right into the process. I'm starting in Krita to black out the rough sketch. I want Hulk to feel powerful yet elegant, like a true samurai. The Oni mask gives him that fearsome warrior vibe, and those swords, total homage to Zoro's dual-wielding style. This stage is all about getting the energy and composition right. Now that the sketch is solid, I'm importing it into Inkscape for the vector magic. This is where the lines become crisp, and the illustration gains that polished, professional look. The vector process also ensures it's scalable for prints, posters, or even merch. Here's where I refine the sketch. Adding details to the Oni mask. The swords, and the shattered ground. Each line needs to tell a story. Hulk isn't just standing here, he's conquered his battlefield. Color brings everything to life. I'm going with a striking green for Hulk, crimson red for the mask, and withered steel for the swords. It's all about adding depth and drama. And here's the final piece. Hawk as a samurai warrior with Zoro's dual sword style. Strong, fearless, and absolute epic. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which mashup you'd like to see next. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow art lovers. Until next time, bye!
Yo.